Sizzla Kalonji, born Miguel Orlando Collins on April 17, 1976, is one of the most influential and prolific reggae artists of his generation. A key figure in the revival of conscious roots reggae, Sizzla blends traditional reggae rhythms with the fire of dancehall to create a unique sound that has captivated fans worldwide. With over 70 albums to his name, his career has spanned decades, and his contributions to both reggae and Rastafarianism are immeasurable. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to this channel as we delve deeper into his lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Lifestyle: the Rasta warrior. Sizzla is deeply rooted in Rastafarian beliefs, and this is reflected in every aspect of his life. A devoted follower of the Bobo Ashanti mansion of Rastafari, his lifestyle revolves around strict adherence to spiritual and dietary guidelines. Like many Rastafarians, Sizzla follows an Ital diet, abstaining from meat, alcohol, and processed foods to maintain purity in both mind and body. Living in August Town, Jamaica, Sizzla remains close to his community, helping with various local initiatives and promoting youth empowerment. His home also serves as a hub for young artists seeking guidance and inspiration. His commitment to helping others, particularly the youth, is a core element of his Rastafarian values. Sizzla's life is one of humility, spiritual devotion, and constant self-improvement, a reflection of the teachings of Haile Selassie I, the central figure of Rastafarianism. Reggae career: from firebrand to legend. Sizzla's career began in the mid-1990s when he was discovered by fellow artist Bobby Digital. His debut album, Burning Up 1995, introduced the world to his powerful voice and spiritual lyrics. However, it was the 1997 album Praise Ye Jah that truly put Sizzla on the map. This album, filled with messages of Rastafarianism, consciousness, and spiritual upliftment, resonated with reggae fans looking for music with depth and meaning. Sizzla followed up with Black Woman and Child in 1997, a landmark album that solidified his status as a reggae icon. The title track became an anthem for empowerment and respect, particularly in its reverence for black women. Sizzla's ability to merge hard-hitting dancehall beats with deeply spiritual messages set him apart from his peers. Throughout his career, he has tackled a range of topics, from social injustice and political corruption to love, faith, and resilience. What makes Sizzla stand out is his consistency and work ethic. With over 70 albums to his name, he is one of the most prolific artists in the genre. Albums like The Real Thing, 2002, and The Overstanding, 2006, further showcased his versatility, as he seamlessly moved between love ballads, fiery political tracks, and spiritual anthems. His influence extends far beyond reggae, as he has collaborated with artists from various genres, including hip-hop and pop. Net worth: the steady climb. Sizzla's net worth is estimated to be around $2 million as of 2024. While not as commercially wealthy as some of his peers, Sizzla has built a career based on authenticity, spiritual depth, and a tireless work ethic. His income primarily comes from album sales, streaming platforms, live performances, and international tours. Sizzla is also heavily involved in humanitarian efforts, investing in his community, and working with charities that support education and youth development in Jamaica. Legacy: the messenger of modern reggae. Sizzla Kalonji's legacy is one of resilience, spiritual devotion, and uncompromising authenticity. As a key figure in the revival of conscious reggae, he has inspired countless artists and remains a voice of truth in a world that often veers towards superficiality. For reggae fans, Sizzla is more than just a musician. He's a warrior for justice, a teacher of Rastafarianism, and a symbol of empowerment. His impact on reggae and global culture will undoubtedly endure for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.